Assalamualaikum guys and welcome back to the channel. Last video was about to the form handling, that how we handle the form, what are the required fields and why we need this. Okay, so today we are discussing some interesting things of PHP, that how you get the date of using PHP functions, how you get the time zone. So these type of things we are covering in today's lecture. I hope so last lecture was clear to you, very easy lecture. We learned that how we handle the form with various techniques and we use a various function. So today we are discussing a very common things. Okay, the video will be very short because we are using a little bit functions to understand some more PHP. Then we will start the object oriented programming in PHP. Okay, let's say you want to get today's date. What you need to be say, you say echo, and in echo you what do you want? You want today's date. So first of all type here today is. Okay, today is what? So here you need to be called the function. Okay, the function name is dot date. Okay, so once you call this successfully date function, here you can give the various formats. Okay, in what format you want to display the date. So I use a format year, then month, and then day. Show me in this format. So if I put the semicolon and if I go back in my browser, let's see will it will returns the thing or not. Okay, so I'm here one in my browser. I need to be refresh. So continue. As you see, it is returning the today's date. I'm just zooming it for you guys. As you see, today is 23rd, year 23rd. Then we have 4 month and today is 8. Okay, so it is actually gives the date, but you can change the format as well if you want to display the date in first of all in year, then sorry, in you say year month day. So you can use the various things. Let's say one more format which I'm using. I just want to be show that what is the day today. So here we need to be say the small l. So once we call this one, it will returns the today's day. What is the today day? So it will return it to me that one. So continue. Yes, today is such a date is returning. Same like one more trick we are applying. So first one we did year, month, and day. Then we are to now we are changing. We are say show me first day, then month, and then year, and display the result to me. So I'm go back in my browser, so refresh, and today is 8 4 and 23. So this is how you use the date one. So now starting some things that how you get the time. Okay, we have the some characters that we are commonly used for the times ones. Okay, we are using hour to hour 24 formats, that is from, let's say, after 12 it's applying 24 hours format, 12 13 14 like this one. And we have hour to 12 hours format, that once it goes to the after 12 it will add the leading zeros. Then we have minutes with leading zeros, seconds lowercase. So these things we are now discussing. So I need to be finished back this one. Sorry, inside in it I need to be raise this all. And today uh, time is okay, we need to be say time. So what is the time? We need to be called inside the date. We are using that show me in hour. Okay, I then show me as a format. Let's see in what format it will display the today's date to me. Okay, so I'm refreshing this page as it is returning 4:43 and 6 p.m. So it is returning this date, this time. Okay, this time it is returning. Okay, so if I need to be to go back to check some other formats you can get. Okay, you can use the various ones. Okay, as I told you that we use the h24 hours format. Okay, 24 hours. Okay, I stands for here, I stands for hours, I stands for minute with leading zeros. Okay, s stands for second with leading zeros, and a basically represents the lowercase anti-meridum. Okay, and post-meridum, about it which we short form we are saying the AM and PM. A very important thing which I am telling you. PM, AM, sorry, stands for anti-meridian and P stands for post-meridian. Okay, this is a short form which we are using 12 AM or 12 PM. Okay, so you can get your own time zone in PHP. Okay, so if I use it here, I'm just erasing this all, and I'm saying I need the date. Okay, and date default, and then we are saying time zone default. It automatically comes default time zone, not get. We are using the set. Okay, difference. Okay, so which time zone I'm following, I need to be say I need to follow the time zone for America. Okay, not for America as I'm in some other country, so I'm following that one. I'm saying Asia, and then you say in Asia I need to get the time for the city that is for uh, what is it called, sorry, just a minute. So I need to be call this one. Okay, I need this one that I want the format for Asia. Okay, for Asia continent, and inside in Asia I need to get the time for this one city. So if we are using this one, okay, and let me save this file. Not saving this one, let's me display one thing for you. In echo we are saying sorry, time is okay, and time is which format I want to use. I'm saying dot date, and date which format we are using, the simple which we did last time. Okay, hours. Okay, then we are saying I leading zeros, sorry, and then for seconds we have the leading zeros and the anti-meridian. Okay, we are following this pattern. So if I comment this, sorry, putting the semicolon, and if I need to go back, we'll check that what time it time zone it is determining. uh the default time zone set is in invalid. Time is 4:46 on line 2. It is returning some error on line 2 date. uh, I think it is not get, it is not set, it is get. Now the issue will be resolved. Need to be checked. Uncaught argument default unexpected is zeros argument. Maybe there's a format with this format I have written wrong. Let me change to the America, and in America I need to call the state, let's say New York. Okay, New York. So once I have done this one, now need to save the file, and let's see will it will resolve the error or not, or it will still no main throw, still not error. I think this will be set not get, I'm sure. Okay, so once we have set this one, now if I need to refresh, let's see will it will. Yes, today's time is 10:47 and 30 seconds, and it's in AM anti-meridian in USA. I'm not sure that why it is returning an error on the Asia zone. Okay, need to be checked if I give the country. Okay, maybe I'm doing wrong. I'm saying the Pakistan, and here I need to give the now city name that is Karachi. So once we have done this one, now hope so it will take the time for the Karachi one also. No, there is the issue for this one. That's why it is not returning. Maybe it follows some other patterns for the other countries. So this is how you get the default time zones. Okay, same like you can create a date with MK time. Okay, that is about to the timestamp for a date. Okay, so if you use this one, okay, I will show you that how we will do this one. Okay, so if I raise this one here in PHP, there is nothing. it will say the created date, okay, which I'm using, and it will also show the time, okay. So here one in PHP, we need to be say the dollar I need to be declared, and here one I need to be take this one. Mm, let me take it sometime. 14. Ac- Actually, this method is old, so we do not need to discuss this one. That how we create a date. Okay, I also forgot that how you use the actually MK times. If I remember, it stands for hour, minute, second, month, day, and year. Let try. Okay, so let's so far I'm giving the hour. Okay, so hour I'm using 11. Okay, this is 11 o'clock. Let's suppose for suppose, and minute is 11:12. Then I need to give the second. Let's say the second is 33 seconds. Okay, so once it we give the 33 seconds, now we need to give the month. So today is the 4, month number 4, and then we have the day, which is also 8 and we need to be say one thing here is 2023. 2023. So once we have done this one and we are putting the semicolon, and here for this one we need to be delete, and here we are saying created date. Let's try, hope so it will work. If not, then sorry for this one. Created date is, and created date is here we just need to be say date and which format I want to use. Here are various formats I'm using because it contains the date as well as time. So first of all, for the date I'm using the format display me in first day, uh, then month, and then display the year. Okay, and then for that one, for time one, you have to use uh, hour, and for leading zeros for the minute, and then for leading zeros for the seconds, and then follow the post meridian, that is sorry for anti meridian we are using, sorry it's small a. So use this one. So once we have done this one, now we need to be give comma and save the variable where we save the above one. So once we have done this one, hope so it will work. If I need to go back in the browser and let me refresh, syntax error, unexpected token, comma on line number 2. Line number 2, we did some mistake. Sorry. Here I need to be say MK. Here we are using the MK format. Okay. Make time and date format. Okay. MK time. So once we have done this one, now rest of the things, if I check the syntax, if I did anything wrong, so we need to be correct. uh, no issues at all. Okay, hope so now it will work, or it will still error. Okay, so ish error has been resolved as you see, and the today's date as well as you can give the time as I have taken the time manually, so that's why it is created time is this one. Okay, so and today's date I called the function, and as you see the date. So there are some more interesting things that you can create a date for musting with strot time. Okay, so various things you can do as you know very well that PHP is quite clever about converting a string to a date, so we can use this one later. Okay, St- strot time function. Okay, so it will actually takes the months, okay, as well as the next day, okay, what day will become. Okay, so everything it will take. So this is about to some interesting things of PHP, that how you get the date and time, how you create your own date, okay, what are the patterns, okay, and some text that how many methods you can get the date. Okay, you can use the format of year, month, and then a day. other format is day, month, and year. So same like you can change. So this is guys about to all today's video. We discuss some basics of PHP, that how you can get a date. So guys, if you like my video, kindly do like, subscribe, and share. Meet you in next video.